Hey guys, Levi from the Rag Company, and today we're going to work on Jimmy's Miata cleaning up these seats using Xpress Interior Cleaner by P&S. We're just going to use Xpress Interior Cleaner and our VLB brush, a couple sprays. As you can see, it gets a really great lather. This is kind of hot, so I am having to work fast. The only reason I've added more product is, again, the temperature of the seats is a little warm today. I didn't want the product drying up so fast without being able to get a hold of it. So we get it all dried up, we'll check and see if there's any spots. This is also very old leather, so we're trying to do our best to make sure that it gets cleaned up as best as we can. And you can see the foam there, it's kind of dingy, kind of dirty. So it is actually pulling a lot of the old oil and skin and lotions and creams and all that good stuff that was on there previous, but thought we'd pull the tape and see how we did. Hopefully we can see a bit of a difference. That worked so well on these seats. Let's try it on the back, see what happens. So that worked out pretty well. So much so, I think my work here is done and I can let Jimmy buy the rest of this stuff and do it at home. Well, as you can see, it's actually working really well to clean the rest of the car. So it's so easy, I just started using it. You know, maybe I'll leave some spots for Jimmy, or maybe I'll make like a checkerboard pattern and clean it all up so then he has to finish and clean everything else. But either way, Xpress Interior Cleaner works. You can use it on all your plastics, leather, and vinyl on the interior, and you can pick it up at theragcompany.com.